a pretty in pink look for you. I know you've seen a lot of these, but you're going to get another one. I use very light and blendable, very dewy foundation. It's perfect coverage for me, but I thought I was looking particularly ugly today. So I made sure I put on some Vive concealer to cover up the bits that I thought were making me ugly, including these very dark circles. I was using a very, very damp beauty blender, which just helped the foundation and the quite thick concealer really blends and smooth together. I then patted those down with a pressed translucent powder, the best thing for setting your makeup in place. And I'm using the Paul & Joe palette, not only for my cheeks, but also my eyes as well. So on my lids was the paler of the two Duo NARS, and then on the brow bone was the paler of the pinks in the Paul & Joe eye palette. And then filled in my brows with my Stila brow pen. This is actually a waterproof brow pen, and it does little individual strokes to look like hairs. It's almost like you're doing your own microblading. So now for the definition, I'm going in with the darker shade of the Duo of the NARS products, but still not that dark. I just want it to be kind of a light wash over there, because I know I'm going to do quite a bright pink lipstick. No eyeliner, but I have curled my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curler. I did heat that first with my lighter. Don't judge me. And then in with a very fine and delicate mascara. My eyelashes are fragile. They don't want to be curled up. They'll collapse at the quickest opportunity. So I use this Swede mascara because I get to have really fine strokes, and it's not too overpowering heavy. It just sits there. I wanted my cheeks to look extra dewy, so I used the Ciate Dewy Blush Glow on top of the powder blusher I put on before, and then the MAC eyeliner in this gorgeous cerise pink. I actually can't remember the name of that one. This is a Sensai lipstick. Again, can't remember the name of the lipstick, but I've got it. I can write it down if you want to know. And then the Watermelon gloss by Ciate. And some Gucci perfume, of course, to finish up.